Hello, my name is Milan Pak. I'm a lecturer in the computer school Maret. Let's start lesson 004 AutoCAD helping system buttons in AutoCAD. Switch to AutoCAD. Helping system buttons in AutoCAD. Infer constraints. Enabling infer constraints mode automatically applies constraints between the object you are creating or editing and the object or points associated with object. Switch on button infer constraints and then from menu draw choose command rectangle and then left click in the drawing area to set first corner and then left click in the drawing area to set the second corner.